Cox's Backhoe service is owned and operated locally by Tim Cox. He has been providing the Triad with quality work at an honest price since 1996. Cox's Backhoe is insured, bonded, and licensed to do excavating and grading, asphalt grading, swimming pool grading, landscape grading, general excavating, land clearing, brush and vegetation clearing, demolition, waterproofing, concrete, grading, resloping excavation, tree clearing and removal, tree stump removing, lot clearing, and more. Let's dig. Call Tim Cox at Cox's Backhoe Service, 336-644-9002.